Today, it's all about our truly one-of-a-kind sleep deep method. In this video, we're going to show you how this method can make it possible to have a completely pain-free hair transplant. You see, a lot of folks are really scared of the pain that comes with getting a hair transplant. Makes sense after all, it's a surgical procedure, even if it's just a minor one. Our sleep deep method, though, makes sure you won't feel a thing, neither from the numbing of your scalp nor from the hair transplant itself. So how does this whole thing work now? Piece of cake? Before the treatment, you'll get sedated, which will put you into a sort of twilight zone in just a few seconds. A lot of patients find this state to be real comfy.
That's amazing, really amazing.
That's exactly the goal. Because while you're relaxing in this comfy state, our team of expert doctors kicks off the anesthesia and numbs your scalp. In less than 15 minutes, they're completely numbed up and you're all set for the hair transplant. So what are you waiting for? The sleep deep method. This method has the potential to totally change the way you look at hair transplants and knock out the fear of pain that keeps a lot of folks from taking the plunge. The thought of getting a hair transplant can indeed be quite scary indeed. The fear of experiencing pain, both during and after the procedure, is one of the most significant obstacles to overcome. But what if we indeed told you there's a way to go through this process without feeling even a lick of pain? That's exactly what our sleep deep method lets you do. But how exactly does this method work? Let's dive deeper. The sleep deep method kicks off with a carefully measured dose of sedation. This sedation is the key to the whole shebang. Within a few seconds of taking it, you slip into a twilight zone, a kind of light sleep that essentially lets you stay relaxed throughout the whole procedure. A lot of patients describe this state as extremely comfortable, indeed super comfy, and it's truly a far cry from the scary stuff people usually associate with going under the knife. While you're in this peaceful state, we're momentarily going to begin preparing your scalp. By using a local anesthetic agent, we ensure that you absolutely won't feel a lick of discomfort during the hair transplant. This preparation takes less than 15 minutes, and once your scalp is completely numb, you're all set for the next step, the actual hair transplant procedure. Our team uses the latest techniques to ensure the procedure is not just painless, but also done efficiently with top-notch results. The sleep deep method enables us to perform the procedure in a remarkably relaxed vibe, seriously cutting down on the stress and jitters for the patient, ensuring a smoother experience. So, if you've been seriously noodling on the idea of getting a hair transplant, but got cold feet because of the fear of experiencing pain, now's the perfect time to kick those worries far to the curb. With our sleep deep method, we're offering you a safe, pain-free, and comfy experience.